Alright guys, welcome back to another video from All Natural Candies. Today she will be doing a makeup tutorial, but before we hop into the video, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on any awesome content coming soon. Without further ado, let's hop into the video.
So watch out. I wanna subscribe it. Miss I wanna subscribe it. You feeling the channel out about another one now? Miss I wanna better subscribe before me dead.
Okay, so guys, I am combing my eyebrows out. You got to make sure that you have a nice canvas. That's all. And then this is the pencil that I'll be using to outline. This has to be precise. As you're doing the bottom part, underneath, above the eyelashes, or use crocodile teeth. Yes. See if you like it. And then you're going to start on the top. The top part, the top. And then now you're going to color on the inside. So basically it's like a coloring book. You're going to outline and then you color on the inside. Yes, that is the way. You see that? Immaculate. Alright. And then you're going to do the other side and hope that it's the same thing.
Easy? Alright, watch me now. What's a boop? Showing that? Yeah, what we are do that? I don't know we are do that, but we are do use that. Alright, you get some spray pan, something, anything, it don't really matter. You get a brush. Yeah. Put a little bit on it, you know what I say? Yeah. What should I put that? Make sure you see me I do now. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to boop now. Wait. Should I put it on the eyebrow? Wait. Alright, so I'm going to boop and put it on my eyebrow now. Now watch me now. Make sure you see me I do now. Like I said, I'm going to eyebrow. Look what I do. Alright. You take your time and spread it on the eyebrow. Yeah. Alright. Not too much over your eyelid. Yeah. Spread it around a little bit, just take your time. Realize it I get thicker each time I go down. Yeah. Now watch me I do now. I'm going to boop now. Spread it way up past my eyebrow. Wait, I went to reach it. Wait. I went to I should move so fast. But make sure you see me I do now. Alright, I'm going to boop now. Next time now. Alright. Same thing. Alright, just spread that. Wait. I went to do. Wait. I was sure it's so fast. Yo, what? Yo. Oh, it's a unibrow. Oh, okay. People, you so much really quick and fast, you know. You know what I say? Now I've master makeup levels like me, you know. You see?
Alright then. Don't know starting it off, you know. With we call it again a facial. Ooh, why up on that still? But you don't know, say the man named Sour Candy, say don't know, so we out here. She naturally pretty still, so I'm not sure put on makeup. Yeah, so just a rub it in, I did. Ooh, I don't know, I didn't see what that was, but I think it's called a foundation. Yes. And whatever that is. Guys, you see how she gently applies it, you don't know, so we have to make sure the skin is well moisturized, you know, in case of any dryness that we're trying to avoid, you don't know. So now she's putting it on her forehead that makes up for 95% of her face. She has to do this as well to even out the skin tone.
Alright, so I'm gonna go some boops now. Spray this panda loco. Something there, is me. Spray some boops. Wipe that little matter there. Is the face up a clean as a ma. See, so no tap up your face, you know, you see me, I have to bake it in, you can't soft with it, you know, you see me, I have to tap it, put pressure upon the face, you see me, so we have to speed it up, you know, because we don't have all day, you see me, tap it in and round the face, make sure you catch everything, you see me, zoops, speed, you see me, when that done now, you get look line, make sure so the eyebrow them straight, they get me for pretty enough for the man them, you know, for pretty, I say my the man them got rush out, I say chops, your team catch brown, you know, che, yes, and wipe off them two look aside there, watch it, pretty, who pretty like me, them not hot yet, brr, purr.
Goody. Oh, this here. Put a brown paint on face. Put them underneath the eye. Put brown paint on her nose. Over her mouth. The under chin. A clown settings. Yeah, man. Yes, mama, fun, you know, you have edges on flake and be things. Fun again. Well hot. But I walk on, I say. Mine are blind, mama, mine are blind.
Alright, so now, this kind of, seeing them for movie bump, got in face bump, you know. All this. A joke thing. Say what that not take off your line color, brother. Dog, that's why woman may talk to can't wear makeup, you know. Wasting. You can do not find, how is this, can't dance in same dance with your old monkey himself. One new one. How that day? Woman a wicked in a brother. Sit down and put on the whole of this and I forgot to rub off your back.
Alright, now we're gonna be doing cheese. I don't know what it's called, but you know, you're darkening the outsides, the outlines of your lips, you know. When you do this now, it just shows how beautiful your lips actually are, you know. Now watch my friend, she's a professional in the act as she slowly guides the pen across the surface of her lips. Amazing. Watching a Candice in her natural habitat, beautiful as ever. As she picks the dry skin off the side of her lip. Lord, man. So your turn. Alright, now. I think she's now. Is that the same color as before? I don't think it is, but yeah, she has, you know, she's making the outskirts, you know, blending. I don't know. It just looks good when it's finished, you know? Yeah. So now she's rubbing. I get it now. Oh, lips don't come out nice. So wait, hold on. She put on the eyelash so quick. Could they? A flash. How that now? Oh, you know when you got the barb on them spray on the alcohol afterwards, yeah, man. She feel the burning feeling, man. Yes, sir. Pretty look barb.
Come on. You can't say me not pretty, watch it. You don't like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. Per.
Fast,